Good morning, friend. Today we want to explain complete square method. Important lecture related the chapter number 4. In chapter number 4, many students have doing the mistake related with the how to find out roots by completing square. What we can say completing square. So one thing that we have to know in the past, any quadratic equation to form like that. So first of all I am explain complete square. So here if I am writing it here, x square plus 2xy plus y square, then what I have get answer, x plus y equal to square. Now here minus b square is given, so I have to write b square. Now difference of square, it is called difference of square. So x plus y plus b and x plus y minus b. That is important for us. So if you will understand this, then we can convert any equation into form of this. So first of all, one question is given at here, x square plus 4x minus 5. That is our one question is given. Again topic is completing square. How we have to completing square? So first we have to know this, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus b square. X square plus 2xy plus y square means x plus y equal to square minus b square. Now difference of square. So which formula we have to use? X square minus y square is equal to x plus y x minus y. So now here another thing, for this we have to find out the last term always. So last term formula anyhow you have to remember, middle term square divided by 4 multiplied by first term. LT is equal to middle term square divided by 4 multiplied by first term. So first of all I have to find out last term of this. So last term is 4x whole to square divided by 4 multiplied by first term. So 16x square divided by 4x square. So answer is 4. So what I am writing now, x square plus 4x plus 4. Whatever I am writing again I have to write again, minus 4 minus 5, because in maths we cannot add ourselves. So if I add 4, if I will add 4, then I have to again remove minus 4. Now it is a perfect square. So now I am writing x plus 2 whole to square, and here write 9. So 9 is a square of 3. So I have to write 3 whole to square. So x plus 2 minus 3 and x plus 2 plus 3. So here answer is x minus 1 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Now I am explaining, થોડું એમાં તમને ગુજરાતીમાં explain કરું છું. Now what is our first target? પહેલો ટાર્ગેટ શું? perfect square method આપવી જોઈએ. So perfect square method here, x square plus 2xy plus y square છે, perfect square છે. So એનો આન્સર થાય x plus y whole to square. પછી minus b square. આ first 3 terms છે એનું convert 2 terms માં કરવાનું. પછી whole to square, અહીંયા b whole to square. પછી difference of square, એકવાર plus ને એકવાર minus. અને LT ની ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડવી જોઈએ. લાસ્ટ ટર્મ middle term square 4 multiplied by first. One question is given કે આ question છે x square plus 4x minus 5. તો મેં શું કર્યું? I have find out the last term plus 4 find out. જો plus 4 find out કરો એ શું કરવાનો? minus 4 કરવાનો. અને પછી આ બેને સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરીને અહીં મૂકવાનું -9. નાઉ 9 ઇઝ અ સ્ક્વેર ઓફ 3 એટલે બેનું હોલ ટુ સ્ક્વેર આવી ગયું એકવાર પ્લસ ની એકવાર માઇનસ. ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ કમ્પ્લીટિંગ square method. It is not given in CBSE text because our text is from 2005. આપણી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક છે 2005 થી છે એટલે એમાં આપેલું નથી. Now one more example that is given in text also but in old book. So quadratic equation answer is already we have known. Now we have to convert this question. Here it is a factor, so answer is 5 and 3. Now I have to completing square method. X square minus 8x plus 15. તમે જ્યારે when you are watching this video, તમે આ જોતા હોય વિડિયો ત્યારે compulsory you have to write everything in your rough book. So x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now third term, that is last term, middle term square 4 multiplied by first term. So 64x square divided by 4 multiplied by x square, answer is 16. So plus 16 I have to write. જેવું પ્લસ 16 લખ્યું તો ખરેખર અહીંયા મારે પેલું ઇઝી વે છે, મારે શું લખવું જોઈએ? પ્લસ 16 હોય તો અહીં શું લખવું જોઈએ? પહેલાં મારે -16 અને ક્વેશ્ચનનો પ્લસ 15. સો -16 પ્લસ -16 પ્લસ 15 -1 અને આ જે પરફેક્ટ સ્ક્વેર છે x - 4 હોલ ટુ સ્ક્વેર -1. So we can now do difference of square, that is plus and minus, and we can get x equal to 3 and x equal to 5. So now I am complete the exercise. Now in next page we are doing this. Again I am explaining we are correct or not, we can check by factorization method. Factor of 15. Here factor of 15 is 15 factor is 1 into 5 and 3. 5 into 3 15. So x minus 5, x minus 3. So x minus 4 plus 1, x minus 5. So answer is 3 and 5. Now next, compulsory all sums I am doing this. So first sum already we have completed it here. Again I am doing it. X square minus 8x plus 15 is given. First step. What is my first step? First step. Middle last term આપણે find out કરવાનું. Middle term square 4 into first term. So 8x minus 8x whole to square 4 multiplied by first term, that is x square. So 64x square upon 4x square. So answer is 16. So x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 16 plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we have to simplify x minus 4 whole to square. Here minus 1 whole to square. We have to simplify it. So plus 16 I am add, that is minus 16. Here given as a 15. Given as a plus 15, that I have to write. That is why I have to write minus 1 whole to square. So x minus 4 minus 1 and x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Already we have completed this question in, but I am explaining myself again. Now second question I am taking, that is 9x square plus 6x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now here this square formula always we have to remember. So second question, 9x square plus 6x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now middle term square, so 6x whole to square divided by 4 multiplied by 9x square. So 36x square divided by 36x square. Answer is 1. So 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 1 minus 35. Now these three terms is perfect square. 3x plus 1 whole to square. Here minus 36. So minus 36 is a square of 6. So now 3x plus 1 minus 6, 3x plus 1 plus 6. So 3x minus 5 and 3x plus 7. So x is equal to 5 by 3. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. It is too much easy. Now I explain in Gujarati. શું કરવાનું પહેલા first 9x square plus 6x minus 35 is question given. We have to find out last term. આપણે last term ગોઈતો તો આવ્યો 36x square upon 36x square 1. So plus 1 અહીં લખવાનો, પછી શું કરવાનું અને પાછું minus 1 and minus 35. આને પછી simplify કરી અહીંયા લખવાનું. So 36. So 3x plus 1 whole to square, 36 is a square of 6 whole to square. પછી એકવાર plus અને એકવાર minus. So find the following equation, solve the following equation. So two roots, that is 5 by 3 and minus 8 by 3. So one more sums we have to do. I think you have written it properly, then I have to rub it. So try to solve this. So first question done, second also done. X square plus 6x square plus 9. So now it is too much easy. We can find last term is 9. So I have to write minus 9 plus 7 is equal to 0. So here it is a perfect square. So x plus 3 whole to square. Here it is minus 2. So x plus 3 whole to square minus root 2 whole to square. Because anyhow I have to apply x square minus y square. So x square minus y square, I have to write root 2, because root 2 square is 2, is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 minus root 3, x plus 3 plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 2 minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 minus root 2. So mostly I have completed this type of sum. Still two sums 6 remaining. So you can write in practice Now I think you all are completed your fair book. So already we have completed 3 chapters, that is 2, 3 and 4. All videos are available related it with exercise questions are also there. One more sum. X square minus x minus 1. So middle term I have to find out. So middle term is x square 4 into x square. This is cut, so I have to write 1 upon 4. So x square minus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1. So if I will simplify these 3 terms, x minus 1 upon 2 whole to square. If I simplify first these terms, 4 ones are 4, so minus 5 by 4. So x minus 1 by 2 whole to square. Here root 5 upon 2 whole to square I have to write. Why? Because 5 square, root 5 square is 5. Now one time plus, another time is minus. So 1 upon 2 minus root 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. Next, x minus 1 upon 2 plus root 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So we can say root 5, here we have to write 1 minus root 5 by 2. So it is also important question. Again understand properly, because here no perfect square numbers are given. X square minus x minus 1. I have find out the last term. Last term is 1 upon 4. So I have to write minus 1 upon 4, and this question again minus 1. Now I have to simplify this, and if you will get x is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, x equal to minus 1 root 5 by 2. Now exercise 4.3, all important, it's a textual based question, completing square. If they exist, question is find the root of following quadratic equation if they exist. What is the meaning of exist? We have to check that b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. So if you will see that minus 7 square minus 4 into 2x 2 into 3. So 49 minus 4 to the 8 is 24, that is 25, 25 greater than 0. So we can do it. So now 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now again here it is 2. So it is better that I have to multiply whole equation, multiply by 2. Why I have to multiply by 2? Because to get perfect square. So 4x square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can find out the last term. So last term is equal to middle term square, that is minus 14x whole to square divided by 4 multiplied by first term. So 14 square is 196x square divided by 4 4 16x square. This is cut. So here again 14 square is 196, 4 into again minus 14, that is minus 14 square, that is 196, or you can write it minus 14x into minus 14x. There are two different ways to solve this. Upon 4 into 4x square. This cut. Now 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 7s are. That way also you can do it. In 4 into 4. So 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 49 by 4. Now if I will here 4 into middle term is again formula is middle 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by last term. So last term is here 4x. So 4x square, that is 16x square. Now if I will divide it by 2, I will get 8. If I divide it by 8, I will get 19. Again divide by 2, 4. Again divide by 2, 49. So answer is 49 by, or we can say 49 by 4. So what I have to write? 4x square minus 14x plus 49 by 4 minus 49 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the perfect square. So 2x minus 7 by 2 whole square. Here if I will simplify, 6 4 are 24. So 49 minus 24, that is 25 by 4. So again it is a perfect square of 5 and 2. So I have to write 2x minus 7 by 2 whole 2 square minus 5 by 2 whole 2 square. So what either I have to, first I have to rub something and then I write so you can understand better. So this I have to cancel it because already we have got number. So already we have got 49 by 4. So now 2x minus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Here if we simplify, so minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 divided by 2 minus 6. So x is equal to 3. Here 2x minus 7 plus 5. So 2 upon 2, 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. Again I explain everything. First what we are discussing about here, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So I multiply by 2. શા માટે મેં multiply by 2 કર્યું? તો કે perfect square number જે છે એ 1 પછી બીજો સીધો 4 આવે perfect square number. 1 પછી 4 આવે. અહીં તો 2 છે. So I have to multiply by 2. So 4x square minus 14x plus 6 equal to 0. હવે લાસ્ટ ટર્મ એમાં ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનો હતો તો આવ્યો 49 by 4. 49 by 4 આવ્યો. એ જ પાછું શું કરવું પડે મારે? minus 49 by 4 અને આ plus 6 અહીં લખી દેવાનું. સો આ ત્રણ જેમ છે ફર્સ્ટ થ્રી ટર્મ એ તો પરફેક્ટ સ્ક્વેર હોય છે. સો 2x minus 7 by 2 whole to square. આનું સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કર્યું 49 by 4 plus 6. તો સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કર્યું તો આવ્યું 25 by 4. એ કેના સ્ક્વેર છે તો કે 5 by 2 whole to square. એટલે એકવાર પ્લસ ને એકવાર માઇનસ. સો 2x minus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2 સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરો તો 2x minus 6 x equal to 3. આને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરે તો x equal to 1 by 2. કમ્પલસરી બધાએ લખવું જોઈએ. આટલું સરસ તમને એક્સપ્લેનેશન કરીએ તો કમ્પલસરી બધાએ લખવું જોઈએ. હજી એવા કેટલા સમ છે? 4 સમ્સ છે આપણે, બરાબર. અત્યારે તો આપણે કેટલો કર્યો? એક સમ કર્યો અને આ ઓલ આર ટેક્સ્ચ્યુઅલ બેઝ એટલે કમ્પલસરી આપણે કરવા પડે. આની પહેલાંના જે સમ્સ હતા એ ઓલ્ડ બુક્સમાંથી મેં તમને કરાવ્યા બિકોઝ એમાં બહુ પ્રોપર મેથી કરેલા છે બધા સમ્સ. અગેન કહું દઉં આ બુક છે એ 2005થી ચાલે છે આપણા માટે. તો એના રિફરન્સમાં તમારે કમ્પલસરી જે છે નવી નવી ટેકનિક્સ આવતી હોય જે ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરીએ એ આપણે શીખવી જોઈએ. ચલો નાઉ ટ્રાય ટુ સોલ્વ ધ સેકન્ડ સમ. સેકન્ડ સમ અગર હોય તો યસ, ન હોય તો નો કહી દેવું પડશે. અગર સમ હોય તો યસ, ન હોય તો નો. चलो पहला ने चेक करिए. बी स्क्वेर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर देन 0. नाउ हियर बी मतलब x नहीं 1. सो 1 स्क्वेर minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. So 1 plus 4 to 8 minus 4a into c. A means 2, c means minus 4, b means 1. So 1 square minus minus plus 4 to 8, 8 4 32. So answer is 32 greater than 0. So 33 is greater than 0. Now from here, first topic, what I am explaining, multiply by 2. Why? To get perfect square. So 4x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal, minus 8 is equal to 0. Now middle term square, last term is equal to middle term square. So middle term square 2x whole to square. LT is equal to, so you can remember, mt square 4 into first term divided by 4 multiplied by first term, that is 4x square. So 4x square divided by 16x square. So answer is 1 upon 4. So what I have to write? Again 4x square plus 2x plus 1 upon 4. Again I have to write minus 1 upon 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So here first 3 terms is perfect square. So 2x plus 1 upon 2 whole to square. If I simplify this, 8 4 ja 32 minus 1, so 33 by 4 whole to square. Now difference of square, so 2x plus 1 by 2, again I am writing root 33 upon 2 whole to square, root 33, why? 33 square is root 30.